type a couple of lines. Hit one button. In under 5 minutes, you watch a full animated episode assemble itself. Camera moves, expressive faces, and characters that stay perfectly consistent shot to shot. This isn't a slideshow. It looks like you planned it for weeks, and you did it with a single click. This free tool turns it into a full animation. No watermark, no invites. It now includes Sora 2 for clean cinematic shots. You can keep characters perfectly consistent and choose any style: kids' stories, realistic, or fantasy. There's also NanoBanana for image generation inside the tool if you need background plates or scene art. I'm giving away 3 MagicLight Pro memberships. Watch till the end to enter the 3 Winner Pro giveaway. Your next video could cost $0. I'm dropping the exact steps and one secret tip at the finish. Plus, I'll show you how to use Sora 2 completely free inside MagicLight. Don't miss it. Let's begin. Open the link in the description and click Start for free. Let's grab the free credits first. Click Login and sign in with your email or Google account. You'll see 300 credits drop into your balance right away, so you can start creating immediately. When you land on the MagicLight homepage, the top section lets you jump into different apps: story to video, kids story, one click, AI video agent, and image to video. MagicLight already turns ideas and scripts into complete videos, but now it's even more powerful with Google's Nano Banana and a new AI video agent. Today, I'm putting it to the test. This is the MagicLight AI Video Agent interface. Drop your idea into the prompt box and chat with it like an assistant. You can run the entire workflow here. There are sample prompts at the bottom if you need inspiration, but I'm creating this one with my own prompt. Let's build a video script. I want an animated kids story, so I'll type, create a complete and heartwarming 2-minute animated story about a young boy, his mother, and their cat who go on a camping trip in a snowy forest during the day. Then I click Generate. The MagicLight agent outlines the story. The results appear on the right. First up is the script. It's strong. Perfect. MagicLight. AI agent nailed it on the first try. This script is a keeper for our kids' animation. Below that is the recommended video style. Based on the script, MagicLight suggests a realistic look, but you can switch styles. I'll pick a Pixar-inspired aesthetic. Now, choose a language. The tool supports plenty: English, Spanish, French, Hindi, and more. We'll use English for this demo. Next, pick your aspect ratio, portrait or landscape. For this tutorial, we'll stick with 16:9 landscape. When everything looks good, click Next. On the next screen, we choose character images. You can assign them one by one or use AutoCast to fill them all at once. I'll select AutoCast. Our characters are ready in seconds. I want to change the middle character, Mom. Click her character slot and browse the large library of pre-made options. There are plenty. You can pick one from the library or create a new character from a prompt. I'll create one with a prompt. Name, Mom, prompt. A woman in her 30s. Click AI Expand to let the system refine the description for a polished character, then click Confirm. Here's our result. If you don't love it, regenerate until you do. Once you're happy, select it and confirm. With all 3 characters ready, click Confirm. Then select Next to generate the storyboard. Now MagicLight will generate the storyboard. Image creation can take a bit, so I'll fast forward. Alright, the storyboard images are ready. Review each one and tweak as needed. If a shot isn't right, fix it on the spot. You can regenerate any specific frame at no extra cost. Just select it and click Regenerate. Sweep through for other issues and redo as needed. 2 or 3 passes often nail it. Keep iterating until you're satisfied. Here's the big upgrade. MagicLight now taps Google Nano Banana for image edits, which means you've got one of the most capable image editors at your fingertips. You'll see pro controls: clothes, expression, figure, scene, and effect. Start with expression, open it. Under Role Model, choose Leo in expression, pick exciting, then regenerate. Seconds later, Leo on an exciting mood, with his look preserved perfectly. Now, test camera. Select low angle and regenerate. The scene reframes to a clean, cinematic perspective. Next, effect. Choose fog and generate. Instant atmospheric depth in the background. Each NanoBanana tool follows the same rhythm. Test, arrow, refine, arrow, repeat until it feels production ready. Now let's add narration. Open VoiceOver, top left. You can choose from several high-quality voices or clone your own. To clone, upload a short sample of your voice. Enter a name for your voice. After a brief process, your cloned voice appears in the list. Select it and you're set. Great, our images are ready. Now let's turn them into video clips. Select any frame you want to animate and click Animate. You'll see several generator options integrated with MagicLight, e.g., Halo, C-Dance, Kling. For this demo, I'll choose Kling 2.1. Next, choose how to prompt the animation. You have two options. Intelligent generation automatically interprets your storyboard. Customize prompt, full manual control. We'll go with intelligent generation and click Confirm. Give it a moment. Your first clip is rendering. The scene looks polished and the character movements are smooth, faces stay expressive, and the camera work adds a nice cinematic feel. Motion feels natural, already close to production quality. Ready to batch it? Click Animate All. Choose Select All, then Next. Pick your animation model again. You'll see an estimated credit total at the top. Cost per shot varies by model and length, roughly from a few dozen up to a couple thousand credits. We'll stick with Kling 2.1, then Confirm. Shortly, every storyboard panel turns into a clip. The animation quality is excellent. Fluid motion, clean camera moves, and on-model characters from shot to shot. Lighting feels natural, transitions are seamless, and facial expressions read clearly. Every scene holds up, compositions are balanced, details stay consistent, and the overall cut looks studio-ready. Looks great. Time for finalization. Click Next. Cover title. Pick a title style or choose no title. Subtitles. Select a design you like or turn them off. Background music. Choose a track from the built-in library to match the mood. When you're set, click Generate. In the dialog, pick your aspect ratio, e.g. 16:9, and resolution 720p or 1080p. We'll go 16:9, 1080p. Hit Generate Video to render. After a short wait, your video is ready. Preview it. Smooth animation, clear VO, music on point. Click Download to save it locally or publish if you prefer. Project complete and ready for any platform. Alright, let's talk about Sora 2 and MagicLight. Normally, using Sora 2 requires an invite code. If you have one, you can access the model, but there's a catch. Many platforms add watermarks, which can be frustrating. With MagicLight, you can use Sora 2 without watermarks. Here's how. Go to Image to Video. Upload your image. In the prompt box, describe the motion or scene you want. Choose the video model. Sora 2 is auto-selected by default. Set the duration, typically 10 to 15 seconds. Leave resolution on auto. Click Create Video. In moments, your clip is ready. High quality, smooth motion, and no watermark. You'll notice clean details, stable character consistency, and crisp edges without flicker. Grab the link in the description and start creating now. Plus and Pro members can enjoy unlimited usage for a limited time. All videos are watermark-free, and new users get 3 free Sora 2 tries. Giveaway. How to enter. Sign up using the link below. Comment with your thoughts. What worked well and what you'd improve in this workflow. That's it. We'll pick 3 winners for a free pro account during the final week of this month, October 2025, and announce them on the channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it.